Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. In this video, my husband will be applying the screen protector on the TicWatch Pro 5. So here we go.
I'm going to be applying this screen protector on the brand new TicWatch 5 Pro. Amazing, beautiful looking watch. So there's a slight lip. That bezel is slightly raised from the glass, which is Gorilla Glass. I'm not sure about how durable the Gorilla Glass is going to be when it comes to scratches, so best protect it straight away. But here there's a slight raise. That's where the glass will sit. This tempered screen protector should be fairly straightforward. So look what comes in this packet. So it's a 9H hardness glass, as you can see, and it's got things like explosion proof super strength tempered glass film. Got a nice little packet. So let's open and see. So inside we've got 3 of those screen protectors for the watch. You also get these wipes and a cleaning cloth. Nice little package. So let's see what the screen protector actually looks like. There you go. Feels plastic, you must say. So it's glass. And see on the watch, if I can tell about the clarity. I think you need to use the wet wipe first. Give the screen a good clean with the wet wipe. Then we use the dry one. So this is the dry wipe. Give it a nice dry. Okay, I think this will do. Let's just make sure that it's nice and clean. Yeah. So I'm going to take this, just peel the back of it off. Yeah. Let's just peel this off and apply onto the watch. Slightly off. It's a bit fiddly because there's very little space between inside the bezel to actually. I think this probably. Yeah, I think it should be. Just trying to make sure there's an equal amount of gap everywhere. Then I know it's a okay application. So that's done. It's applied. Let's just give it another quick clean. This one doesn't feel as smooth as the original glass does, obviously. Because when I was cleaning the screen with that cloth before, it was very smooth, and this one's a bit rough, slower. And I think that'll do. So you'll be seeing a lot more videos on the TicWatch. My wife will be covering a lot more videos. There's lots of exciting features on this watch to actually go and explore. comparing that with Pixel Watch, Galaxy 5 Pro and other Samsung watches.
So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found the video useful, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.